doing some CLR cleaning with rimfire. Don't know why many people still use the dip when CLR is pretty much all you're ever gonna need. So this just happens to be a AAC element 2 with probably a brick through it. And yeah, I'm not wearing gloves because I really don't care.
Hey, that's a bullshit.
So anybody that knows anything about these knows pretty much pain in the ass to get these things out. It's where the pusher tool comes in. So this will also be a video on, I guess, how to use your pusher tool if you've got an element 2 and haven't cleaned it yet. So these being stainless steel, see some shit there. Going to be a little easier, more forgiving to clean. Again, you can sit here, you can scrub, you can do whatever you want. I don't go that route. For me, let's get this out of the way. So this just happens to be an M&M tube, pretty much the same length as that. What I do, literally, take the baffles, stack them, whatever. I just load them in. They all fall in perfect. So you can see that's almost the perfect tube. I don't throw the end cap in, that's aluminum. Don't want to mess with that. Literally, bust out the CLR. Go raw, don't cut it. It's hard to tell. Yeah, not for me. But you can already see it's working. You can see it bubbling up and frosting over. All right, so we're back after about 6 to 8 hours. I don't remember exactly, but the rest of the video is just going to be me pulling everything out, showing you can just wipe it down. No need for picks or anything. So we've got heavy paper towels, Q-tips. That's the most. Just wanted to mention a couple different things. First off, you're going to be exposed to ionized lead. It's inside the CLR. It's going to create toxic fumes and waste. So you're going to want to make sure you do this in a ventilated area and dispose of the, I don't know, waste product properly. That's on you. But just know that you are going to be exposed to stuff. That's why I got gloves on in this one. And again, just getting to it. Here you go. Simple wipe down. You saw what it was before. You'll see what it is at the end. And that's pretty much it. So CLR, some wipes, a little bit of time, and here we go.